Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and to this video I'm going to show you on how to check data usage on Windows 10 laptop. So let's see. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here from your start menu, right click on it, and then go to settings. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to network and internet. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is simply click on data usage. It takes you right here. And from the point here, you see all the apps that are consuming your data and how much data each of the app can consume. Right on my PC right here, you can see Edge consume 10 gig of my data right here. System consume almost 5 gig. So you can scroll down and see all the data consumption apps on your Windows PC. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to find out the data usage on your Windows 10 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tricks on about Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.